Okay, so here we are back in Rosamond again. We haven't left. May 2nd, 22nd, 2023. It's about 1:46 in the afternoon. I've been noticing that the drift pattern on these things, they're moving. And they're going on a, what the hell are we at? South by southeast direction. That one's coming from the Mojave Tehachapi area, a little further. Skirting action from Bakersfield, maybe. That section around the pass to the mountain would be the Tehachapi. And there is action on that one. This one seems to be moving our direction for southeast, I think. Turning to the south, but this one has been rising up a bit. This one's conjunction. This one's gonna hit us. I mean, already it looked like it was hitting St. Gabriel's, but man, without past 10-15 minutes, she's been shifting directions. She's heading our direction somehow. She's being pushed. So I guess we got both low and high pressures moving these behemoths towards us. We got the stragglers trying to get cohesion. And this monster, she's drifting. She's drifting. Yeah, maybe about 2 hours. We'll get some action within that time. Welcome to Rosamond.